Namaste. Welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about Sahacharadi Thailam, an Ayurvedic herbal oil used in treatment of Vata imbalance disorders, muscle and joint stiffness, and convulsions. It is used orally and also for massage. Now, let us see the uses of Sahacharadi Thailam. It is useful in Ayurvedic treatment of Vata diseases, tremors, convulsions, psychosis, stiffness of thigh, muscle cramps, muscle wasting, muscle weakness, rhinitis, sinusitis, gynecological disorders, intercostal neuropathy, etc. This is also used for BASTI treatment for neurological and muscle related disorders and as oral medicine in varicose veins. Sahacharadi Savyam is the same herbal oil prepared in milder consistency, that is in Mrudu Taila Paka. It is especially used for enema therapy. It has similar benefits as explained for the Sahacharadi Thailam. Sahacharadi Kudambu is the same oil prepared with 2 oil bases instead of 1. Usually, castor oil is the secondary oil base. Coming to the dosage of this oil, orally it is used in the dose of 3 to 5 ml once or twice a day before food with warm water or warm milk or as directed by Ayurvedic doctor. In gynecological disorders, it is used for vaginal douche. It is used in many Ayurvedic treatments such as BASTI, Griva BASTI, Janu BASTI, etc. What are the side effects of Sahacharadi oil? There are no apparent side effects with this medicine. However, oral intake needs guidance of an able Ayurvedic doctor. Let us learn about the ingredients of this oil. It contains Sahachara, Dashamula, that is group of 10 roots with potent anti-inflammatory action, asparagus, vetiver, cardamom, Indian madder, Indian dill, Indian valerian, cow milk, sesame oil, etc. Reference of this oil is found in the treatise Ashtanga Hridayam Chikitsa Sthana. In this context, Acharya Vagbhata writes, Kampakshepa Stamba Shoshadi Yuktan Gulmon Madhav Peenasam Yoni Rogan. It means Sahacharadi Taila is useful in Kampa, tremors in hands and legs, Akshepa, scissors, Stamba, stiffness of joints and muscles, Shoshadi Yuktan, diseases with muscle wasting, extreme dryness, denourishment and dehydration. Gulma, bloating, abdominal lump, muscle catch. Unmada, mental disorders, Peenasa, rhinitis. Yoni Rogan, gynecological disorders involving itching, abdominal pain, painful periods, etc. This oil is manufactured by Arya Vaidyashala Kottakkal, Nagarjuna, Vaidya Ratnam, Pankaja Kasturi, etc. Ayurveda pharma companies. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.